3, 2, it's 10. Let's go. Pick it up. All the way. Resistance is up. 3, 2, pick it up. Let's go. Yes. Yes, guys. Show up for yourselves. Halfway. 4, 3, 2, take it off. Hey guys, welcome to FitScope. My name's Megan, and today I'm going to take you through a 20-minute elliptical workout. So I'm going to run you through what we're going to do today, but first, I want to get you warmed up. So go ahead, take your shoulders down away from your ears. Find a nice pace that you can hold on to for about 30 minutes or so, a conversational pace. Pull your abs in. Your shoulders are down away from your ears. And let's just hold on to this for the first minute here. Making sure that you're dividing the work up evenly between your upper and lower body. Pushing and pulling these handles. Trying to conserve energy whenever possible. So don't have a death grip on that machine. And lastly, try not to fall forward and kind of use the machine to keep you up. I want you to keep yourself up using all of those core stabilizing muscles. All right, y'all. What we're gonna do today is a bunch of interval training. Our intervals are gonna start at 30 seconds, and as class goes on, they're gonna get a little longer. So we'll start to test our endurance. But don't worry, to make up for it, I'll also give you longer breaks. So let's go ahead, take it up. Resistance and your incline, each go to a 3. 3, 2, 1, here we go, take it up. Breathe. I want that core temperature to rise. Just warming up here. Something that you can hold on to, like you're going for a jog. Nice, y'all. 10 seconds, you're gonna bring it up just a little bit more. You're gonna bring it up to a 4 on your resistance and your incline. 3, 2, 1, take it up to a 4. Just hold it here. That's it. There we go, y'all. We got 2 more increases coming. And then your first break. Okay. Pull that core in, take it up. One more time. Let's take it up to a 5 on both our incline and resistance. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. A little bit higher, a little bit harder. It should be a little harder to hang on to this pace. That's okay, that's normal. Just try and keep it going. We have our last resistant increase and our last hill increase coming up in 20. Nice, guys. So you're using your arms, pushing and pulling. You're squeezing your back, using your biceps. The elliptical is really cool in that it works your entire body. All right. Take it up again, last time, to a 6 on both the incline resistance. 3, 2, 1, take it up. Nice, y'all. There we go, don't get slower. Keep that tempo. For 25. Then we have our first recovery. That's it. 15. Deep breath, guys. For 10. 6, 3, 2, take it down. Okay, so incline and resistance are down. This is your first recovery. Make sure you're actually taking these recoveries. You're letting your heart rate come down. First interval is only going to be 30 seconds. So 30 seconds of work and 30 seconds of recovery. That's your pattern for the first few minutes of this class. So in 10 seconds, I want you to take it up to a 10 on both your hill, your incline, and your resistance. Here we go, y'all. Let's do it. 4, 3, 2, it's 10. Let's go. Pick it up. All the way. Resistance is up. That's it. We're climbing that hill on a 10% incline. My machine actually maxes out at a 10% incline. So it's pretty steep here. It's gonna be hard to maintain this speed, but try and maintain the speed you had the whole time. 10 seconds and you'll slow down. That's it. 4, 3, 2, take both down all the way. Take it, flatten it out. Nice. Short recovery, okay? It's a really short recovery. And then we're doing it again. You got this. Halfway done. Second interval is coming up. Taking both to a 9. 4, 3, 2, let's do it. Incline at a 9, resistance at a 9. It's gonna feel hard. 80-85% max effort here. Let's do it. That's it, guys. Your pace is somewhere between a sprint and a jog. It's a strong run. Halfway. Nice. There's short intervals, but there's short recoveries. Last 10. 6, 4, 3, 2. Take both down. Take both down. Recover. Really take this recovery, guys, because it's not very long. Okay, so if you need to kind of walk it out, that's fine. We're starting again. In 10, you're gonna take both to an 8. All right, y'all. 3, 2, take both to an 8. Let's go, we push. Let's do it. Find that run. It's not a jog. Try not to lean on that machine. You're still 80% effort here. 10 seconds. That's it. 4, 3, 2, take it down. Recover. Nice. Okay. You got one more short one. And then they're gonna get a bit longer, okay? 10 seconds to let that heart rate come down. Walk it out if you need to. These are short, they're intense. All right, here we go. 3, 2, take both to a 7. Incline and hill. We run 30 seconds. That's it. Chest up and back. Core is tight. Not leaning forward halfway. Nice, guys. Almost there, last 10. Here we go. 4, 3, 2, recover. Take it down. Both come all the way down. Resistance and incline. Okay. They're gonna get a bit longer, these intervals. They're gonna be a bit harder in terms of endurance. So make sure you're really recovering here. I just purposely slowed myself down. Don't rush through these recoveries. I want you ready to go in 15 seconds here, guys. All right, you're gonna be ready in 10. You're gonna take both to a 7, both your incline and resistance. In 4, 3, 2, taking both to a 7. Here we go, 45. We run. We run. That's it. Here we go, guys. Little longer, halfway. We push. Yes. 17 seconds. 10, 7, 4, 3, 2. Take it down, both on empty, both on 0. Yes. Flatten out that hill. Take off the resistance and walk. There we go. So you're gonna find as these intervals get longer, you're going to need a bit longer recovery. So I've designed them that way. So soak up these last 20 seconds of recovery. We're running again. Taking incline and resistance to a 6. 4, 3, 2, pick it up, let's go. Yes. You're pushing, guys. You're picking up that speed. Yes, use your upper body. Let it help you. Halfway there. There we go. 15. Last 10. 8. 4, 3, 2. Take both down. Walk. Nice. You're halfway done with this, okay? All right. We got a few more 45-second intervals. You got this. Okay, guys. We're gonna recover for another 25. So slow your pace down. Roll the shoulders back and down. Pull your core in. We go in 12. I want you to take both to a 6. Your incline and your resistance. All right, guys. 4, 3, 2. Take it up to a 6. That's it. Halfway. This is a strong run pace. Taking it down in 10. That's it. 4, 3, 2. Breathe. Yes. Take both down. Nice, guys. We are working our way down. As we do that, I want you to purposely think about increasing your speed a little bit. So if you can, just throw it on there. If you can run a little quicker, I want you to challenge yourself today. 30 seconds left. Here we go. Our intervals are going to go up to 1 minute now. But you're going to get 1 minute recovery. A little more endurance. A little less hill. Starting in 10. All right, guys. We'll start with both at a 6. Take it up. Incline resistance. 3, 2, 1. We run. Yes. If you can throw more speed on, go for it. Yes, guys. Show up for yourselves. Halfway. There we go. I know this minute feels long. Keep going. Almost there. 15. That's it. 10. There we go. 5, 4, 3, 2. Take both off. Slow it down. Nice. Make sure you're recovering here. Breathe. I'm giving you a longer recovery because those intervals are getting longer and they're getting harder. Even though the numbers are going down, you're increasing your speed and pushing a little harder every time. All right, y'all. Halfway through recovery. Make sure that heart rate's coming down. We're going to take both to a 5 in 15. All right, guys. In 10. Incline goes to a 5. Resistance goes to a 5. I want you to show up. Give me everything you have. Let's do it, y'all. When that beat drops, you go all out. Start picking up now. Here we go. 4, 3, 2, all out. Let's go. That's it. All the way through. No one stops early. Nice, guys. Throw that speed on if you have it. There we go. 20 seconds left. Keep it up, keep it up. 15. Last 10. 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it down. Nice, guys. If your legs get tired and you feel like you're using them more, maybe throw your arms in a little bit more. Squeeze that back. Push, pull. Use your biceps. Use your core. Work both your upper and your lower body purposely. It's a good thing about the elliptical. You can use so many different muscle groups. You just gotta focus on them, turn them on. Okay, more than halfway through your recovery here. A few more intervals left. We take it back up in 18 seconds. You're gonna take it to a 4 on your incline and your resistance. In 10. All right, y'all. You can start getting ready for this. We go in 5. We go in 4. 3, 2, we run. Let's go. Both are at a 4, resistance and incline. I know you're tired. Keep pushing. Yes. That's it, that's it. Work to the halfway point. Halfway, keep going. Act like you're trying to pass someone in a race. You're so close. Think about your goals. 15. You got 10. 4, 3, 2, take it down. Nice, guys. Slow it down, walk it out. If you need to take a walk, that's fine. This next one is almost flat ground. It's a 3 on both. So it's really gonna be a lot more speed focused, which is fine. We're just working more towards endurance, a little less on strength. Whereas the beginning of class focus more on strength. We go in 15. We got this. All right, y'all. You can do it. 4, 3, 2, 1 minute, all out. Put a 3 on both of those. Yes. Push through. Everything you've got. Halfway. That's it. Last 10. 4, 3, 2. Take it off. All right, y'all. We got one more. Last one. Last one, a flat ground. It's gonna be all speed. Here we go. You get 20 seconds. Mentally prep for this. For this speed work here. Last thing you gotta do for yourself today. All right, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. There we go, we run. We run. Use your legs and your arms, chest and back. That's it, y'all. Halfway. There we go. You got 20. 15, don't stop early. 10. 4, 3, 2, take it down. Nice, guys. All right, don't just walk off the treadmill or the elliptical. Make sure you're letting yourself walk and slowing everything down. Heart rate comes down. Drink a lot of water today. Take care of yourself. Thank you so much for working out with me today. From all of us at Fitscope, thanks. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. See ya.